Okay, everyone, don't tamper with fire alarms in my house. When you are in my house, you must respect my property. And do not touch my fire alarms or anything that I own. I am serious. You do not touch my stuff. You must respect my property when you are in my house. Do not touch my fire alarms. Do not touch my lights. Do not touch anything. Always respect my property when you are in my house, or else you will be kicked out of my house. And if you touch my fire alarm, you will get arrested by the police. You don't want that. So do not do it. Bye.